In today's tutorial, what we'll do is we'll attempt to do a watercolor painting, so to speak, an image with watercolors or just images that look as if it's been painted or drawn. For that, what we do is we go to elements. Now I've already done this here. We go to elements and we type in field. When we type in field, we'll get all of this. Now there are some that is free, and of course there are some that are not. So there's various ones that you can choose. Let's see if we choose this one. That's pretty good. That's nice. What we can do here, I mean, it's all just a matter of trial and error. So you have to see what looks good and what you'd like to see. We have a house. We could have done this house. Maybe we'll stick to that one. Okay. Just Next, what we can do is we can look for some trees. Let's look for some trees. Okay, we've got some trees here. We can bring this one here. Don't worry if it looks brighter than the rest. Don't worry about that. Okay, and we've got this one. There. Now for this one, if you remember, we can position it backwards. So you go up here to position. You can right click it, or you can go up here to position and put it backwards. So the tree is behind that. You can see. Okay. You can make it a bit bigger. It can't be too big because you remember that's further away. So the further away, the smaller it should look. Right? Now what you can do is we'll look for, maybe we can have that as well. Background there. Backward again. So we have some trees. Now let's look for some animals. Let's look for bear. Okay, that looks like a good one. There. Now in this case, what we can do, we can also flip it. You highlight that, you go up here to flip, and you flip. So what we can do is, again, we can position it toward the back, and we can make it seem as if the bear has come out and he's looking at the house. We could have, let's say, a squirrel. Quite spell it right. Squirrel. Let's choose one. Let's go for that one. Squirrel there. Choose another one. On this one you can flip that way, so he's looking at his friend. They're both there. Yep. And then let's see if we can have a deer. Oh goodness, deer. It's strange, isn't it, when I spell DEAR and all these deers images came up. But okay, never mind. Let's look for one that's like that one there. Um, let's see if we flip it how it. Yeah, let's do that. And let's say there's a deer, and then he spotted the bear, but the bear is actually looking in the house. Now this is one way of doing it. Now what you can do is it's like a picture. Maybe not exactly a watercolor, but it's like a picture. So let's say we want to see some birds. So we can have some birds there flying, you know? So let's okay, that's that's not quite the right way. Let's look at I think this one. Some birds flying around here. Just startled by some noise. Now, in this case here, it looks a bit bright. So what we can do is we go to this transparency and we just adjust it a bit. Feel that that's too much, but maybe that one. Okay, so that looks a bit better. It's not too bright. And let's see if they have here. I was just looking for some fireworks. So let's say we have that one there, or even that colorful one. Some celebration. Oh, that's fine. They've got this whole thing down here. That's too faded. Maybe that one would be better. Maybe that's the noise that maybe the birds fly. You know, as you can see here, because it's an image that you can change the color. So let's say you want it red, and this one you want it maybe pink, or this blue. I mean, it's fireworks. Can be any color. And then what you can do is you duplicate it again. This time make it a bit smaller, and then you change it to maybe green or pink. Next one might be black. You know, so it's it's limitless. You just use your imagination, and you can do something like this. And this looks pretty good. You can change the size as much as you want. You can change some you can't change. Let's say, like you want to edit the bear. Maybe you want the bear to look a bit more, a little bit photogenic. You want the bear to look a bit redder, perhaps. It looks brighter, or you want it to look. So it's up to you how you want it to look. You can make this a bit bigger. So you make it bigger. That's fine. Maybe you don't want it. Let's go in a bit more. Maybe you don't want it that big. Square is not that big, so you can make it smaller. And you can have another one. Let's see. Mm, okay, let's have that one. Make it smaller, but just bring it down. It looks like a baby squirrel. And you can position it to the back. Go back again. So sometimes you have to click it twice because the first time, okay, if you look at this, okay, let's make it a bit bigger so I can show you. See, Now, when I first put it, it was covering both the other squirrels, right? So if you click it once backward, it goes at the back of one of the image, but this one it's still in front. So you can actually adjust it. So if you click it once more, so it goes to the back of both. So let's say, you want it smaller, just want it there. So maybe it comes down a bit here. Okay, let's zoom back out. And there you go. You have an image. Isn't that nice? I mean, you can adjust it. You can put as many animals as you want. You can take it out. You can look for other trees. You can do, it's you're only limited by your imagination. Okay, of course, if you have the pro version, you have so many more that you can choose, so many more images that you can choose. But in this case, a free version also can do what you want. You just have to be diligent in looking for what you want. So I hope you like this, and if you did, please do like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button so that you will be notified when I put up another video. All right, bye.